Hello everybody and thanks for watching. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video we are going to go over this Ryobi 7 1/4 inch, I believe it is a 13 amp, corded or circular saw. And the specific model number on this guy is CSB125. We are going to start off by throwing a blade on this guy, as a lot of the times if you just got the saw, that's going to be your first step. So you will notice there's a bottom flange which is already on there, and it'll say what does it say? Install behind blade on the exterior, this side out. And this is going to, so you'll open the guard, and then any writing or those two arrows are going to go on the exterior facing out, and this will go over the top flange. Then you'll put the bottom flange, the top flange will go right over the top of your blade like so. Then you will drop the bolt back in, and remember it's reverse threaded, so or actually it's not, this guy's regular, the other handed would be. And so we're going to tighten that finger tight. Then right here there's a blade break, so we'll push that in, hold that in, and we're going to go ahead and tighten this guy. And that's going to keep the blade from spinning as we tighten it. And then you want to get that guy as snug down as you can, like so. This guy does have the ability to bevel, so you'll loosen this guy here, and then it will bevel, and you can lock it back wherever you want it, like so. You can also adjust the depth by releasing this lock and pulling this guard down, and then you can lock it back wherever you want it, and you can do less depth, or you can make it deeper, like so, and then you can lock that back in place by sliding that down. Otherwise, it just has the trigger and the plug, so we're going to go ahead and plug this guy in and give you a quick demo by ripping this end piece off this board. It's plugged in for you guys. You have the power now. Too much fun. Alright, so always keep your cord out of your way, and don't forget to wear glasses. Safety first, as always. And here we go. So it does have a little thing that will show you where you're going to cut directly. There's a little pinch that's going to lead the blade. One more just for good measure and fun. And more than capable, guys. The price is right. Good old corded Ryobi stuff. If you guys have any more questions, do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. We are giving away a new tool every month. This month for March, it's going to be a DeWalt drill kit, so don't forget to subscribe. Plus, you're going to get more awesome videos every single day. Also, if you don't mind, hit that like button, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.